What's up, I'm Aidan. I'm quickly going to show the DIYers out there how I install tile trim like this. First things first, you want to make sure that you've got the right size tile trim. Remember, you've got the thickness of the tile as well as a little bit of adhesive depending on what size notch trowel you use. Decide where you're going to put it on the wall. I used a laser for this as well as a straight edge and a spirit level just in case. And I put a line all the way down the wall. Then I knew exactly where the edge of the tile trim was going to go. Once I measured exactly how long I wanted it to be, I then cut it. My preference is with an angle grinder. Then you're going to get a 3mm notch trowel, knock up some adhesive, put some on the wall. Keep it about 5mm back off the line that you've just done. Then it's as simple as pushing in the tile trim all the way up the wall and making sure that you've got it nice and straight and plumb with the line. Then tile like the wind as fast as you possibly can, especially when you're doing little tiles, because you've only got a certain amount of time to get that tile trim in line if you're slightly out of square. Lucky enough, I was bang on, so it was all good. If you're interested in my self build, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.